How to upload a Canva design to Google Drive on PC. This tutorial shows you how to export your design and get it saved to Drive in just a few steps. First, open your design in Canva on your computer. From there, click Share at the top right. After that, click Download. At this point, choose your file type, then click Download again to save it to your computer. Give it a moment while the file finishes downloading. Following this, open Google Drive in your browser. From here, navigate to whichever folder you want to save it in. At this stage, click Upload within that folder. Following this, browse to where your Canva file downloaded on your computer. From here, select it and click Open. Once uploaded, your Canva design will appear in that Drive folder, ready to access or share from there. That's how you upload a Canva design to Google Drive on PC. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you then!